bonjour, bonjour. Alright, here we go now, y'all. Look at that. Oh, make sure you subscribe and like and share before we get started. But hey, look at that salad. Strawberry pecans straight from the motherland of Louisiana, baby. Strawberry pecans, you know I like it. I'm gonna give me a taste, baby. Okay. Oh, my bad. Sorry, y'all. Didn't know it was time. All right, strawberry balsamic vinaigrette we're going to make for this salad. It's going to be a little water, some cut up strawberries, some strawberry jam, some balsamic vinaigrette, a little lime juice and salt in it. Oh, man. And then shazam! You got your butter melted for them candied pecans. You better not say pecan. Those are pecans, all right? I know I was getting a little carried away and everything, but those are pecans, not pecans. All right, so you got your pecans in the butter going. We're about to can them out with that brown sugar, baby, a little paprika, a little very light dash, very light of garlic powder, and then cayenne it to your liking if you want it, if you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? You're going to stir it around, and then when it make you feel all good inside, oh, yeah. I'm just kidding. Make sure you cook them for about 5-10 minutes and then let them cool off. You know, you can put them in the freezer if you're ready to get to them. Just make sure it cooled all the way down. And you're going to break them down and put them up in that salad like that. And then throw in them strawberries. That is way too many strawberries. You need some for the plating. Thank you. Anyway, food porn in 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, baby. And then you toss that salad. Ooh, faster, baby, faster. No. Slow it down. Slow it down for me. Slow motion. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, y'all. Focus. Bruh, strawberry pecan salad with some gorgonzola blue cheese on top. Tossed in that dressing, and oh, of course, dash it with that Creole season, baby. Oh, yeah. I hope it was good to you the way it was good to me. Bon appetit. Oh, wow, y'all.